Hi guys, welcome to an episode of Crypcited. Today we'll be giving you a brief introduction to Neo, the history, the vision, the tech, the team, the token. Stay tuned. Hi, so welcome back. So what is Neo? Neo is a next generation smart contract platform. Neo was originally developed by a blockchain called Onchain. It was formerly Antshares and was rebranded as Neo in 2017. Neo means new and modified. Neo is often called the Ethereum of China, and its main competitor is Ethereum, vision and mission. Neo wants to improve and revolutionize the way e-commerce is done. It wants to create a smart contract economy on an open network. Neo says that there are three components they want to focus on in this smart economy. First being digital assets. What are digital assets? Digital assets are pretty much anything digital that can be traded. Cryptos, applications, programs. They also want to focus on digital identity on the blockchain for businesses, such as the use of facial recognition, fingerprint recognition, voice recognition, and SMS. They also want to focus on smart contracts. Smart contracts are basically automated contracts written on its code which gets executed when certain conditions are met. A smart contract is simply a code that defines a set of rules for managing and transferring of funds. An example of a smart contract can be the locking of funds until an item is delivered. Once the item is delivered, the funds are released. Now, the tech. The Neo platform consists of two currencies. Neo, 100 million units, and gas, 100 million units. Neo is pre-mined as an integral in value, which means that it cannot be divided below 1. You can only transfer whole value numbers of Neo, such as one whole number and not decimal number. Now, gas is generated through proof of stake. Gas is pretty much the fuel that drives smart contracts around the network. Now, gas is collected from the transaction fees generated from around the network to distribute to consensus nodes as they validate the transaction on the network. Running and using smart contracts consume gas, and coin holders essentially elect consensus nodes who can validate transactions and create blocks to make decisions. Coin holders can also vote out a node. Now, Neo uses delegated Byzantine fault tolerance algorithm for consensus. DBFT in Neo is different from Ethereum's proof of work consensus. It relies on computer power to decide what transaction to validate. It also uses a lot of electricity and creates a lot of heat. In DBFT, there are two types of systems: bookkeeping nodes, consensus nodes, and regular nodes, people who make transactions. In every new block, a node is selected randomly. He will broadcast his version of the blockchain or ledger to the network, and if 2/3 of the consensus nodes agree, then they move on to verify the next block. If not, a new node is randomly selected and the process starts again. DBFT is fast, secure, and cannot be forked, unlike Ethereum. What makes Neo different? Neo supports popular programming languages such as C++, Java, Python, Go, C# on their platform. Whereas in Ethereum, you need to learn a new programming language called Solidity. You can build projects in Neo such as decentralized applications and host ICOs. Currently and practically, Neo can do 1,000 transactions per second compared to Ethereum's 15 transactions per second. And as Neo optimizes their network, it has been rumored that Neo can get up to 2,000 transactions per second. And lastly, Neo transactions are usually free. Token and cap. So the Antshares Neo ICO was held in June 2016. Its price in the ICO was under 3 cents. And there was 20 million Neo tokens for sale. Supply is 100 million Neos. Its current market cap fluctuates between $5 and $6 billion. Neo reached all-time high price of $161. In my opinion, Neo is highly undervalued, and if Neo had the same market cap as its main competitor Ethereum, it would have a potential price of $1,000. Now the team. The co-founder of Neo is Hongfei. Another co-founder of Neo and co-developer is Eric Zhang. The Secretary General is Tony Tao. Now the way I look at Neo is how I look at Windows. Neo is the operating system that allows programs to be built on top of, such as Windows. Neo is like a giant puzzle, and each project that is built on a Neo platform completes the Neo smart economy. The Neo exchange is just another piece of the puzzle to fit into the Neo smart economy. The Neo exchange will essentially allow cross-blockchain transactions on the Neo blockchain. Other upcoming projects, such as the Neo FS, would essentially allow decentralized storage of files. And thank you guys for watching the video. If you like us, please follow us on Twitter. Press the subscribe button on YouTube, like us, leave us a comment, and get Crypcited.